Take a look right here. I am on the Hostinger checkout screen. I simply clicked on Have a Coupon Code, pasted my code, and hit Apply. That single coupon code just shaved $62 right off the total. If you want to get this exact discount, click the link down in the video description. It will bring you directly to this page, where you will find the newest active coupon codes for Hostinger. Just hit the copy button, and you will be taken straight to Hostinger's official site. From here, you can pick from several packages such as Premium, Business, or the Unlimited tier. No matter what country you are purchasing from, this code ensures you secure the biggest possible savings, even if local plan options or base rates vary slightly. To demonstrate, let's select the Unlimited plan. After clicking Choose Plan, I enter the promo code just like before, and the price drops immediately. It works just as easily on a 24-month or 12-month billing cycle, giving you extra savings across every duration. Compared to other hosting providers that rely on outdated cPanel dashboards, Hostinger offers a much cleaner and beginner-friendly custom hPanel. You get blazing fast light-speed web servers and built-in caching right out of the box, which deliver noticeably better website loading speeds. Most competitors charge extra for essential features, but Hostinger includes free SSL certificates, automated backups, and integrated email accounts even on entry-level packages. Where other platforms hit you with massive price spikes upon renewal, Hostinger keeps its long-term rates affordable without cutting corners on performance. Their global data centers and 99.9% uptime guarantee keep your site consistently online and responsive worldwide. Add in 24/7 live support and powerful built-in AI website creation tools, and you get unmatched overall value for your money.